Stephen Brummagyn and family gravesite. If anyone is present, can you make the EMF meters wake up? Can you make it go to yellow? Alright. Can you make the cat toys light up? Can you please make the cat toys light up? You can make it go to yellow though. Alright, William, can you please make it go to yellow? Oh, holy crap. They lit up. One lit up. Thank you, William. Can you do the bottom one now? Not to sound finicky, but dang. Can you please make the bottom one light up? Okay, you wasted all your energy on that, didn't you? Thank you. That's crazy.